let's start right away into BTC. I think probably connections and everything are fine. So let's start with the BTC USDT pair. Sorry guys, yesterday I was a little busy with work, so that's the reason I can't able to post a live video. Let's straight away jump into BTC USDT pair. Okay. As of yesterday and day before yesterday, if you see my video, title of my video, it closed below 200 EMA. Okay, so we got rejected one time and we got pumped, but this time continuously 2 days we rejected, but right now we had a very good pump, and again we are on the top of 200 MA. So I think I was saying from here, like on Sunday from till I think day before yesterday, I was saying that I will be on sidelines. Why? Because we had a very good pump. Maybe this can be a small correction, and it can go up, but I need little more confidence whether this 200 MA needs to break with volume and conquer this 48,000 area for my next level of trades. Otherwise I feel little bit worried to take trades. Why? Because if you see the morning pullback, it pulled back till 43,950, almost 43,950, I think. So that's the reason. So for me to get into trade, you need to have a very good strong volume pump for BTC USDT. Let's go into ETH chart, ETHUSDT chart. ETH also, let it load. Yeah, ETH also closed below this 80 MA for continuous 2 days, and even now it is trading between that 80 MA and the previous resistance, that is which is acting as a support now. So it's good actually, but all these things are happening because of BTC pump right now. So let's see when did BTC pump started. Till, let me check lower level time frames once again. It's getting loaded. And this is where we started pumping, where okay, but we got rejected by 200 MA on hourly. So this is the pump, I think, which got started around okay, so this is the pump which took from 44,000 to almost 46,000, but we got rejected by 200 MA. This is the one time. Maybe it can, but if we need to break this 200 MA, at least it's need a good volume. Right now we are forming a inverted hammer or a spinning top kind of candle, so it looks like we need to wait. If it doesn't broke, again we can see a correction like this. But one good thing is like 8 MA crossed about these two moving averages, but this is an hourly, but this is the one reason maybe it got pumped. But I will wait for BTC to give a clear confirmation. Let's look into link USDT pair. Link, let's go to daily time frame. Okay, so if you guys are watching my video, I would have drawn this green trend line long ago. Whenever we broke the trend line, we just pushed down, and we are just below this 80 MA. So here we closed below 80 MA day for yesterday, and yesterday also we closed below 80 MA, and today we are just trying to touch that 80 MA. I will always, as I said, I will be on sidelines. If there is any pump for BTC where it breaks that 200 MA and 80 MA and it reach that 48,000 mark or 47,000 mark, I might get it into alts. So that is my trade as of now. Otherwise I will wait for correction, either 34 EMA or 50 EMA for correction or previous resistance to jump in. And dot, yeah, dot looks good actually on the daily chart. It got rejected by 200 MA, which was my target. Today we are getting a very good green candle. I think again it might hit $27 dot and maybe a correction. If it is rejected, maybe a correction. Otherwise I am seeing but volume wise I need to see volume. Let me check the volume. Okay, volume is not that bad. Volume is good actually, but this is a red candle, but this is a green and this is a green. Maybe if volume if you have more volume, there are chances it can push, but this candle looks good as of now. Still we have like 7 more hours. If BTC traces back, it will again trace back. So dot looks good as of now. Let's check ADA. ADA also, I think today morning when I checked, there was a small correction, but yeah, we got supported by this 8 EMA. Almost, not exactly, but almost. But we had a small correction from here. It went, almost is 2.24, and it went till this previous almost to the previous resistance as support. It acted as a support, 1.84. So that's the thing. So if you guys have placed order at 1.84, could have made easy money. Again, if you see the percentage from here, 1.84 around 17 to 20%. Okay, so 80 EMA is key. Whenever a price crosses below 80 EMA, that's where we need to be cautious. So yeah, we are cautious. So we might put our 30 or 20% of money on our previous resistance, where we can make a potential upward trade. So that is with respect to ADA. Let's check Kusama, KSM USDT. Kusama, yeah, 2 times it got rejected, and we got a spinning top candle, but this candle looks damn good. I think Kusama pushes up. It's same like dot setup. Dot needs to break the 200 MA. Kusama broke 200 MA today. That is very good sign. You can see here, whatever the cryptos which crossed below 80 MA like Link and even BTC, it came below. Even ETH also it came below. Whatever the crypto which is above 80 MA, you can see what is happening, like dot, like Kusama. So these are the simple things, guys. Just to take note of it, and just check the charts. Whatever I'm saying, just check the charts and understand it. And let's go to yeah, AVAX. AVAX. I was trading this coin, but I took the profits early. It crossed well above and it went almost $34. But one thing is like we are getting an inverted hammer right now. So there might be a small correction, but I would say this $23 or $24 or this area 25.36, 25.4 or this $24 should get supported, and it should reverse back, since we had a very good candles yesterday and day before yesterday, and we managed to break below 200 MA, 80 MA cross below 200 MA, and now we are getting inverted hammer. That is like we might get a correction. So these are the areas where you can try to pick a small position and ride upwards. If it falls down, I would say this 34 EMA as a next target. That is with AVEX. Let's see Matic. Next we will check Solana. Matic, yeah. Matic managed to close at 80 EMA, and right now we are seeing a small push. Still this target is valid for me, unless and otherwise BTC looks bad. This might get a correction, but 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, still maybe this is looks good, but I will be on sideline. Why? Because I think it has a chance to push up Matic. Let's wait and watch what is happening tomorrow. I need to wait and watch on Matic. Right now I won't take a trade, but it is getting support. The previous resistance is acting as a support. It's good, but if it is closest above this area and 80 MA, it might push up to 1.71. That is Matic. Let's check Solana. These are Solana, Matic, DOT, ADA, Link, everything I gave call on July 26th, which was like half the price of the current price. Everyone would have made 100% trade if you would have followed my videos. Solana, as of now, it looks good. Some weaknesses today, but anything very less sell volume. Nothing to worry. So in case of correction, it might hit the previous all-time high and try to reverse. That is with Solana. And let's check Theta. Theta, I don't know. I think it's consolidating. What is the price of Theta? See, Theta is consolidating. $7. This area, Theta is consolidating. Any one push, it got rejected once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. It got rejected by 200 MA and closed below 8 EMA yesterday, day before yesterday, and even today it looks like same ETH and BTC chart. If looks like same like ETH and BTC chart, but this consolidation is like within this area. Like almost like for 13 days it is between this area. Right now I won't take a trade. I need to have a breakout of this 200 MA to make some push up, and a breakout and a test of 200 MA to push up. So that is with Theta. And let's check Rion. Rune, yeah, it looks good actually. Rune, it looks good. We got inverted hammer and we got a small correction, but it respected 80 MA. That's what I was keep on saying. I think Rune can test this target 9.9, at least 10, maybe today or tomorrow. But I'm expecting Rune to at least reach $10 now. Rune looks good. And let's check SRM, I think, right? SRM USDT, it was pumping today. I need to check the chart. Again, we got a inverted hammer today. Let's see how chart looks like. See, guys, crossover of 8 EMA above 34 EMA and 50 EMA is the place you need to buy. Okay, simple as that. $3, 135%. Okay, 135% is like $100 is $230, $1,000 is like 2,300, $10,000 is like 23,000. So these are the simple trade, guys. 8 EMA crossover, 50 EMA and 34 EMA. Just take this one. 8 EMA crossover 50 MA and 34 EMA crossover or cross above. Place to buy and take the profit and enjoy your trade. As simple as that. Okay, let's move to gold. Gold was looking bullish. Gold booking XAUSD. Let's see. Okay, gold we got buy signal somewhere here, I think. Yeah, somewhere here. And as I said day before yesterday, it need to close above this area. Like above, if gold needs to be bullish, it needs to close above this area. First of all, bullish in the sense at least to reach this target 1854. This area we are getting a sell volume, and tomorrow is Friday. I don't see gold going up above this 34 EMA. Let's see if it closes above 34 EMA, because 34 EMA and 50 EMA is very close. If it closes above, people will get confidence. Okay, and it can move up. Here gold crossed below 34 EMA, 200 MA and 50 MA, price dropped here, and we tried to close above 80 EMA for few days, but got rejected again by 200 MA, and we can't able to break the 8 EMA and 34 EMA resistance, and again we got rejected by 50 MA and 200 MA, and we had a crash where this death cross happened, where 50 MA crossed below 200 MA, death cross happened, and we crashed. Gold price crashed, and people bought in, and we had this rally. I think this is just a relief rally. Gold price can fall again. This needs to be broken, otherwise I'm bearish on gold as of now. And let's check silver. Silver also I think I was bearish. Yeah, silver is coming down. I think to say silver I'm bearish, as I say, keep on saying. Oil, let's see. If you guys remember this support line, if it breaks, and I even told 200 MA is the first support, first support. Yeah, oil, if it closes below 200 MA, oil price might go lower. Okay, that is with oil. And I think today Indian markets are closed, I think so. Let's see whether it had any trade for, let's check ITC. No, Indian markets are closed. I think this move didn't happen. We closed below 800 MA, and we yeah, I think this is getting bearish for ITC. I was expecting at least this move, but we managed to move. But this has lost the confidence of bullish trade. It is with ITC. Let's see whether is there any questions. As of now, no. I think I covered most of the charts. If you guys have any comments, please try to post in my YouTube video. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. As I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm trying to teach you guys simple logics which will make you money. So try to learn, and happy trading. Thank you all.